everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be unboxing the December sub box from Archer and Olive. This box is so big. It's huge. It barely fits into the screen. So I'm going to open it up here. And actually this is too big, so I'm going to move it over here and I'll bring things out, but I am so excited to see what's inside of here. Ooh. A little too excited. So how adorable is this? Does this not give you like old school vibes of having like your whole thing for school, your little trapper keeper? So there is I think a bookmark here. There's a tassel clip here. Super cute. There's, I guess, a place to put a book in, some pockets, a pen loop. So that's really, really cute. The front is gorgeous. I love the moons, constellations, the bears, floral, so adorable. And it has a handle here and then another pocket back here. So this is really, really nice. I really like this. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So then we have a journal. This is so pretty. Look at this box. It's gorgeous. Let me get my scissors here and we'll open it up. And I don't know what color paper or what the cover looks like because I'm keeping it hidden from myself. That's on the back. They'll tell you those things. We'll put that down here for now. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I love it. So it's 40 pages. It's a blackout book. It's like this, it's linen, but it's very different. Gold gilded. I love this. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's see what this is about. I love this. This cover is so cute, and I love the textured fabric on here. So you have this book belongs to, like always, and you have nice big dot grid sheets. Love it. Let's see what so you have your two bookmarks and one has the Archer and Olive charm. But I am loving this journal. I love the gold on the edges, so pretty with the blackout paper. So that's really cool. I'm guessing that this guy, let's see, fits into this. So just give me a minute, let's try it out. Whew, so that was all right, so it's in there. It does fit. I don't know if I would keep this size in there, and I'm actually not 100% sure what size this is. So I think I might get a ruler and measure. Alright, so this journal is 8 by like 10. 8 by 10. I don't know what size that is. Let's look. So I can't find the size on Google, but it's slightly bigger than a B5 because this is my B5 and it's slightly bigger. So that's really cool though. I love getting new sizes. I love trying out new things. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play in. So let's see what else was in this box. There are some sticky notes. And this one's really cute. It's got the bunny or rabbit on here with the moon and some florals. And then back here there's one with the bear with the moon and some florals. So that's really cute. Looks like they do have a sticky topper up here. So that's fun to add some things into your journal. I love using sticky notes in my journal. I love using them especially for future logs because then you can kind of move things around and like move it into the next year, next journal even. Okay, so let's see. Then we have some really pretty stickers. I'll take them out of the plastic so they're easier to see. And they are so cute. So I have 2 sheets of each, 4 stickers all together. I'm loving this vibe, and I don't know that I've said it on here. I've posted it on my Instagram, but I'm planning a trip with my mom right now to go to Alaska, and these are giving me some really heavy Alaska vibes. Like these mountains and like the sky with the colors, just very, very pretty. And then there's bears and, you know, different wildlife on there. So this is super cool. I love this watercolor, this brain dump sticker. I love all of this. Love it. All right, and then we have something in an envelope with a wax seal. I love these wax seals. Be careful not to break it. And these big acetate envelopes. And then we have, ooh, months. Okay, so we have January. Oh, it's January. January has the mountain and the moon and the stars with the dipper on there. February has the fox and some really fun florals. Love March. That's so pretty. It's like a tree line in the sky, and it has the moon phases. April has these like deer. I think they're deer. They look like deer. And some floral. May has the tree line, stars, really pretty. And then it looks like it has the moon phases with some florals in there. And then that brings us to June with these really fun bears and the floral. So that's really cool. I have some ideas on what I want to do with these. But I love the way that they look. How they're kind of like, I don't know, just different. Like dividers, Dutch doors without having to cut. I love that. So put that over here. And then there is this little package here. And it looks like it is this really cute stencil. I love this. This is perfect for making little dailies or little task boxes. They already have like where you could just draw it out and put it in and it's ready to go. I love this. This is great. And then we have some colored pencils, a set of 5. So all of these really cool colored pencils. So there's purple, silver, blue. I can't get the other ones out. Okay. And it looks like green and maybe like a lighter green-ish color. So that's really cool. Love it that Archer and Olive is branching out into different types of mediums, like the calligraph pens and these colored pencils. That's really cool. And unfortunately, the gel pens were not included in my box. They are sending them, so I'm super excited to get them. And Joshi was really kind and told me that I could use some of her footage from her unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. It just shows the gel pens that we're going to be getting. They're super cute. I love the colors. I'm also super happy to get 2 white ones. The reason being is, as somebody who uses gel pens and has used a blackout in the past, the white gel pens are always the first one to go. So you have 2 whites, a pink, like a teal, a green, and a blue. And as soon as I get those in, I'm going to do a swatch of the pencils and the pens in another video. So stay tuned for that. But that is everything that was inside of this box. And I'm going to go through the value of everything. So the notebook was valued at $27, and while it has 40 pages, it's front and back, so it's like 40 sheets, or leaves rather, and so there's, you know, front and back, you have a full journal, and then inside of mine, I've already done it, has part of the teachable. So I'm really excited for you guys to get to see that. I will talk more about that at a later date. I'm really excited to use this as my goal setting journal. It's gonna be a great year. 2022 is our year. I thought 2020 was gonna be my year, but no, 2022. So that is the journal. So $27 value. And then you have the zippered pouch. That one is going to be a $40 value, and it's so big. I can't wait to use this, and I already know what I'm going to use it for, at least for part of it. I'm going, like I said, on that trip to Alaska, and I'm going to use this to take all of my journaling supplies with me, you know, because I'm going to be traveling super light. So we're flying into Fairbanks, and we're going to be taking multiple trains throughout the state of Alaska. So we're packing super light. I'm literally taking a book bag and a large, like, personal item, and that's it. So I'm gonna have to really use my space wisely, and I'm going to be using one of the tiny journals from the last sub box as my, like, journal, and then I can fit all of my supplies, probably slip like all of my reservations and tickets and things like that in here, and then that way I have like this really cute, like, to-go art journal carrying case. I'm super excited for it. So I love this, and I think that this is such a good value. It's so nicely made. So that one's $40. Then the gel pens are $20. The metallic pencils, those are $16. The metal stencil is $11. The sticker pack is valued at $14, and like you get 2 sheets of the same, 4 sheets total, and I love these. I love these stickers. They're so cute. Perfect for a blackout. Then we have the sticky notes, which I think are so much fun with the 2 different patterns and how they're kind of have like this cutaway. I love it. These ones are $10. And then the die cuts with the vellum envelope, these are $12. So it's January through June. I've already used my January one. So we'll come back and hopefully have more for you later with these, because I think I'm going to use them in this journal specifically. And then you also get an ebook as well as an e-course about goal setting, and I was really honored to be a part of that. So that's going to be part of your subscription box as well. And as soon as I get those gel pens, and I'm going to do a swatching so you guys can see how great they are. The neon gel pens from the Messy and Bright box were awesome, so I can only assume that these ones are going to be just as good. So this box is going to go live for new subscribers December 7th. So if you're already a subscriber, you're going to be getting your box. I hope you love it. And if you are not currently a subscriber, you can subscribe on December 7th. And for new subscribers, this box is going to be $75. For previous subscribers, it is $70 again. So $75 is the new rate plus shipping. And also, if you are overseas, just beware of no-fly zones and international shipping rates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will put the affiliate link down in the description as soon as it goes live December 7th. It's usually 9 a.m. Central Time for just about everything that Arch and Olive does. So I will put that link down in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy this, love this, and I hope you guys can't wait to do a goal journal. It's going to be so much fun. As always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos, and you can subscribe here on my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.